So this is one of the shingles that I'm going to attempt to repair, and you can see where I'm going to lift these shingles up here, and I'm only going to do one tab here. So let me see. Okay, this one should be fairly easy to do. I just got to get the rest of that shingle out before I can put one of the tabs in. So bear with me 1 second. I'm holding the camera and trying to do this repair at one time, so I may have to set the camera down every now and again to attempt this. So give me 1 second. Alright, so now I have this out. I have it all the way out here, and you can see where the nails are coming through here. I'm going to tap those back in. Give me 1 second. Okay. Alright, now I'm going to slide this shingle back in. Okay, I might have to trim this shingle up, but bear with me. There we go. Okay, so here's, you can already see where it's creasing. You can already see where it's already damaging these shingles, and that's the way it's going to be in this, with this repair. Every one of these shingles are going to be like that. Give me 1 second, I'm going to nail this in. Alright, as you can see, you got creasing on both sides. This one here is the repaired. I just did a tab to show what it's going to do, because I don't want to damage any more shingles by doing a repair. So I'm going to submit this in. I only raised these up about 30 degrees. You can see where they're creasing. There's no denying this. These shingles are they're too brittle. There's no ventilation on this house, so they're just burn up. There's just no replacing or repairing these shingles. I recommend a full roof replacement. Thanks.